Hello, this is an informative video. I have been informed that Josh is stricken with a terrible, terrible illness. We saw it coming, but we didn't think it'd be this bad. And at times it flared up, but we thought he was just PMSing, personally. But he is uncontactable, and we just can't reach him and nothing can happen, so we doubt we'll be seeing anything of him for a long time, so Trump's stupidity is dropping him. Yeah, that's about it.